If you're on the lookout for powerful yet compact mini PCs with built-in screens, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 4 Higole Mini PCs for 2025 that combine incredible performance with the convenience of an integrated display. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Higole Gole 1 Pro. The Higole Gole 1 Pro is a compact, fanless mini PC with a sleek design measuring just 5.59 inches by 3.58 inches by 0.75 inches. This fanless design ensures it operates silently, perfect for a distraction-free environment, while its small size makes it highly portable. The built-in rechargeable battery offers about 5 hours of usage, allowing you to take it on the go without worrying about constantly being near a power source. Running Windows 11 Professional, the Higole Gole 1 Pro comes with a valid license for the latest features and security updates, making it ready to use right out of the box. It also includes features like remote desktop access and TPM 2.0 hardware, allowing for seamless upgrades from Windows 10 if needed. This mini PC is ideal for a range of uses, from business applications to Internet of Things projects. Powered by the Intel Celeron J4125 processor, this device delivers solid performance with a base frequency of 2.0 GHz, boosting up to 2.7 GHz. It has 4 GB of cache and is energy efficient, consuming less than 10 watts of power. For connectivity, the Higole Gole 1 Pro excels with Wi-Fi 6.0 for fast internet speeds of up to 13 megabits per second and Bluetooth 5.2 for quick data transfers. It also offers multiple ports, including 4 Universal Serial Bus 3.0 ports, 2 high-definition multimedia interface 2.0 ports for 4K support, an Ethernet port, and a trans-flash card reader, ensuring that you can connect all your devices seamlessly.
Number 3. Higole Gole 2 Pro. The Higole Gole 2 Pro is a compact yet powerful mini PC with dimensions of 152mm by 95mm by 24mm, and it weighs only 0.27 kilograms, making it ultra-portable. This device features a 5.5-inch built-in touchscreen with a crisp resolution of 720 by 1280 pixels, offering a smooth and responsive experience. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Professional, the Gole 2 Pro comes with a valid license and offers access to the latest features and security updates. It also supports operating systems like Ubuntu and Linux, giving you flexibility for different applications. Powered by the Intel Celeron N5095 processor, it provides reliable performance with 4 cores and a maximum speed of 2.9 GHz. The Gole 2 Pro is available with either 8 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 256 GB or 512 GB of MX storage, providing ample capacity for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. One standout feature is its dual screen capability. This mini PC supports 4K video output via both a USB Type-C port and an HDMI port, allowing you to connect 2 monitors for an enhanced visual experience. Equipped with a built-in fan, the Gole 2 Pro maintains optimal temperature control during extended use. Additionally, its 2500 mAh battery offers up to 5 hours of unplugged use, adding to its portability. With multiple ports, including 4 Universal Serial Bus 3.0 ports, a full-function Type-C port, and a trans-flash card reader, this mini PC ensures you can easily connect all your devices.
Number 2. Higole F9B N100. The Higole F9B is a compact yet powerful mini PC that comes with a 7-inch touchscreen and runs Windows 11 Professional. It's equipped with an Intel Celeron N100 processor, 16 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, and offers a choice between 256 GB or 512 GB of eMMC storage, making it perfect for both work and entertainment. One of the standout features of the Higole F9B is its triple-screen display capability. It supports 4K video output through both an HDMI 2.1 port and a Type-C 3.1 port, which allows you to connect two monitors for enhanced productivity. The Type-C port also supports Power Delivery 3.0, enabling you to charge the device with a compatible power bank. Plus, it includes a built-in 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you can use the device on the go without worrying about running out of power. For cooling, the F9B features an advanced system with a high-performance fan and dual heat pipes, ensuring it stays cool during intensive tasks or gaming. Its compact size, measuring just 173mm by 116mm by 26mm, makes it highly portable, perfect for work in classrooms, offices, or even home theaters. The F9B also offers two 2.5 gigabit LAN ports for faster wired internet connections, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity. With multiple USB ports, a microSD card reader, and support for various operating systems, the Higole F9B is a versatile mini PC ideal for a wide range of applications. Number 1. Higole F10. The Higole F10 is a 10.1-inch fanless mini PC designed for both business and entertainment use. It features a high-definition touchscreen with a resolution of 800 by 1280 pixels, allowing you to control the device easily without a mouse or keyboard. The touchscreen makes it highly intuitive, and you can even control other devices remotely via the Remote Desktop Protocol, making it a versatile tool for both home and office environments. Powered by the Intel J4125 processor, this mini PC runs at base speeds of 2.0 GHz, with a boost up to 2.7 GHz, and features 4 MB of cache. The fanless design ensures that the F10 operates silently, drawing less than 10 watts of power, which enhances efficiency and makes it ideal for quiet environments. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Professional and a valid license, the Higole F10 is ready to go right out of the box. It also supports remote desktop access and can be integrated with various smart devices for control, making it an excellent choice for developers and programmers. For connectivity, the F10 offers Wi-Fi 5.0 with dual-band support for 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz frequencies, reaching speeds up to 13 megabits per second. Bluetooth 5.2 provides fast data transfer speeds up to 2 megabits per second. The Mini PC is equipped with 4 Universal Serial Bus 3.0 ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports supporting 4K output, 2 RS-232 serial ports, and 1 Ethernet port, ensuring you have all the essential connections you need. Additionally, it includes support for Wake on LAN, PXE, Auto Power On, and real-time clock wake settings. There you have it, the 4 best Higole Mini PCs with screens for 2025. Whether you're upgrading your workspace or looking for a portable powerhouse, one of these picks will surely meet your needs. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.